more you know, the more that you're informed, and you know you are winning half of the battle in terms of transformation.
Yeah.
So Win, nakita natin na parang ang number one talaga ay parang making it regular, no? Talagang it's a real challenge.
It's a real challenge.
Hindi lang sa ating mga taga-pakinig or viewers, no? So definitely, it's a real and palpable challenge across all, no? Ang importante lang dito ay kung ma-miss natin ang isa o dalawa, dapat mag-pivot ulit tayo kasi alam naman natin yung true north natin eh. So, wag lang nating ulit pabayaan on the sideways. Talagang we have to make sure that we go back to the path of one-on-one, no? So, of course, may puputok, may sasabog between closing that and having a one-on-one. There are times that things are more urgent than the others, no? For sure. But yung important thing kasi, ang sabi natin eh, when in the Eisenhower matrix, ang definition ng urgent is a matter of when you do it eh. But ang definition of important is how much time would you like to devote to it, no? So, pwede natin gawin na hindi natin kailangan gawin siya agad-agaran, pero dapat overall, the time that you spent on one-on-one would somehow be normalized along the way for the year, no? So, catch up na lang tayo kasi merong mangyayari, merong sasabog. We don't have a control of all of the external factors. Basta as long as nasa calendar mo siya, nandun siya, and there's a need to reschedule, let's reschedule. Pero yung discipline has to be there, no? And we are aided by the technology, by calendaring it, by scheduling it. Yun yung mga nakakatulong sa atin. Tapos yung nothing to say, di ba? siguro isang birth pains yan yung mga nothing to say kasi hanggat hindi natin talaga napuput yung discipline, talaga magtitingin na lang tayo, magtititigan lang tayo, no? But sabi nga natin, with the aid of the discipline of actually democratizing the agenda, making it really transparent and visible, way ahead of time before the actual session of the one-on-one, pwede ding mag-iterate, mag-change, mag-recommend, and I'm sure kahit naman a simple hi, hello, and how are you, I think is worth the time spent for the one-on-one as well, no?
Yan, mention ko lang, sabi ni Ma'am Rion, yan, lots of learnings. Thanks, Sir Eric. Yan, hope to meet you someday. Alright. Ako rin, maraming learnings. Yung kanina, I asked about yung daily huddle, saka yung one-on-one. Sabi niyo, it complements each other. So yun, learning ko yun. Kasi yun nga, tama. Then you can move other topics
yun. So I wanted
to the one-on-one.
So when I wanted to catch that danger, no, yung substituting. Kasi kasi sabi nga, that yung cadence or the discipline, kasi baka masanay tayo, nag-daily cadence na ako, baka hindi na kailangan, di ba? So yes, baka pwede mo na lang siyang iksian, siguro, but not necessarily as a substitute, no?
Yeah, thank you, Sir Eric. Tas yun nga, yung kanina nagsistick pa rin sa akin yung no topics to be discussed. Nagsistick yun sa akin. Pero yun nga, sabi nyo, if it's a channel to open it up also to your subordinates, so they will tell you what to do. Di ba? If the level up, I'm sure like, di ba, the level up is already
so,
sila yung magsasabi.
Totoo, ang daming pag-aaral din, Win, na yung mga nakatungtong na sa management level, no, Win, alam mo ba, yung reality of it all, nagdi-diminish siya. The perception of reality diminishes as you go up. Kaya yung mga CEOs natin, mga president natin, kaya nag-hire pa sila ng coach. They need someone to bounce off their thoughts, ideas na tama pa ba, malinaw pa ba, maganda pa ba yung pulso ko sa mga tao. As you go up, nawawala siya. So, naniniwala ako na if we democratize and open up the agenda for the one-on-ones, madaming alam yung mga direct reports natin na potentially hindi pa natin alam. Actually, parang iniisip natin na, para sa direct report ko tong ginagawa ko. Hindi. Oo, kasi it has its own benefit for you as a manager. The more that you will be grounded, the more that you will know what's in and what's out doon sa workplace ninyo. Lalo kung madami kayo, di ba? Alam mo yung mga di ba, canteen discussions, corridor discussions, hindi masyado ma-access yan ng mga managers eh. But if you do your regular one-on-ones, madami kang masasagap. And if you're the kind of manager who wants to influence the culture, you will not be able to influence anything that you don't know anything about.
Exactly.
Diba? So the more you know, the more that you're informed, and you are winning half of the battle in terms of transformation.
Yan, okay, tama. So pang marites yung ano
Marites in the right way.
in the right way, in the right way.